Hi guys, welcome back. Part 3 of this old meat shop. Just got back from town. Got a few goodies. Spent about a little over $100 on materials and stuff. I got some of these tap concrete anchors. Had to buy the bit for it, and I also got some construction adhesive. So I'm gonna glue and screw this board down here, and hopefully I can get away with not having to have an external bracket, because I bought some little brackets, and I bought some there's all my little brackets. Bought several of them. Basically it's just I'm gonna put this down like that, and then when I run my two 2x4s up, I'll attach it through both 2x4s. And I also bought some silicone, reseal everything, some insulation, a piece of plywood, and about 8 studs. So hopefully that'll pretty much get us. I think I've got a little piece of plywood left. That is if I don't have to end up tearing out all this right here to fix that. So I think what I'm going to try to do right now is glue and screw this board down, and then I'm going to try to get this piece right here loose and see if I can't get them 2x4s out right there. Of course, then I want to get my header in. I still ain't decided what the hell I'm going to do with these here. I tried to knock, there's my hand. I tried to knock them back up through there, but they just didn't seem to want to go. It's got kind of like a T. It's like a T, where that'd be the long end, and the other part's laid up here like this. It's in the wood. So it may be nailed to the wood, I'm not sure, but what I think I'll probably do is just drill some holes in that top plate and just fit it right over them. Here, this piece right here split on me, and I was taking it apart. Unfortunately, ain't much I'm going to be able to do with that. I'm just going to run me another stud right here, and I'll just attach this back to that stud. And of course I'm going to run 2 new studs in this corner, or at least 1 new stud. Probably go ahead and put 2 in there. That'll help support the weight of that ceiling up there. So guys, I'm going to get started. First thing I'm going to do is I got a little drill bit here. I just dropped on the ground. Just a regular wood drill bit or steel drill bit. I'm going to go ahead and drill me about 3 holes in this plank, and then I'm going to mark when I set the plank down. I'll drill down a little bit in the, well, I'll take this other drill bit and drill a little bit into the concrete, and then I can pull my plank up and finish drilling it. Now, I don't really know how thick that concrete is, but these bolts I got are 3 1/4 inches, which would be 1 3/4 inches into the concrete. So as long as it's over 2 inches thick would be good. I think it's 4. So alright guys, I'm gonna get that done. Alright guys, got some holes drilled. Apparently these 2 holes, one there and one there, must have got down to rebar, because either that bit's got dull. I drilled, let's see, can't see it, that hole and this hole pretty easily. So I got at least 2, and I'll glue the shit out of it. Hopefully that'll hold it. Okay, I got these 2 tap con screws in. I did have to drill this one out just a little bit more, but it drilled pretty easily. So I'm thinking There's a piece of metal in there somewhere on this side, and it could be they may have put a piece in with this mess, but I don't know. But anyway, I think that glue is pretty stout. It's already sticky as hell when I try to move that board around. I think once it sets, it ain't going nowhere. I'll play hell ever getting it out of there. But now I'm ready to go ahead and put me 2 2x4s up through here and get this corner set. Okay guys, I got this first panel framed up, and put a little brace right here in the middle where I could attach to this brace. I was going to go ahead and put another piece on this corner right here, just have something to screw that corner into, but unfortunately up here I wouldn't be able to get nothing on it. The only thing I could do is put another brace across, and then I'd have fun trying to get it insulated. So not today. So I gotta go find my level and get this insulated, get that screwed back in, and then we'll be ready to do this section right here, and then the header. We ain't gonna be quite ready to do that section until I get this section ready to do something with. So that's gonna be the next thing, is working on this on the gun. But I don't think I'm gonna get to it today. I just got so much that I'm gonna do. I don't really want to get started on it. But if I don't, then I won't be able to do it till next weekend. Boy, that panel's in bad shape. I'll always just rip that sun gun off and put another panel on there. I'm going to save these metal panels, and I'm just going to put metal on the inside and on the outside, other than this corner right here. Really, it wouldn't matter to me if this corner was gone, but I think I'll just put plywood over all of it on the outside, make it look a little neater. And so I gotta get my supplies in off the truck, and get my levels out the shop. Anyway guys, thanks for watching part 3, and part 4 maybe we'll get some more work done. Till then, take care.